Hello, it's Jacob. Ava is still asleep. Today, I'm going to show you two releases from Hawk Shop. 2-disc special edition DVD of Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of Crystal Skull, and Blizzard, a live-action feature. Let's start with Blizzard. YTV presents Blizzard, a LeVar Burton film. It says, holiday fun for everyone. Blizzard is pure movie magic. Sugar and Carlos from YTV's The Zone. Voice talents of Brendan Brilliant, Christopher Plummer, Kevin Pollak, and Whoopi Goldberg as the voice of Blizzard. A Lance DVD and a Lance Atlantis. This is the front. So here's the spine at the side. And the back we have an instant holiday classic, a must-see family movie. Sun Media includes The Zone special feature Magic of Blizzard with Sugar and Carlos on YTV. So let's open. In Region 1, it is 1 disc only. Running time 1 hour and 41 minutes. Including special features. Now let me show you Indiana Jones now. Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull is 2-disc special edition DVD. 2-disc set with disc 1 widescreen feature film and disc 2 with special features. Here's the front. That's Indy. This one is the spine. Paramount, THX, and DVD. And closed captioning. And here's the back cover. It's a PG-13. It's DVD and THX. It's a PG-13 rated. Lucasfilm Ltd. Okay, so let's open. Of course, the DVD is Region 1. Here we are, 2 discs. So disc 1, the widescreen version, and THX certified DVD for PG-13, and disc 2 with special features. Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. Disc 1 and disc 2. The DVD is Region 1. So anyways, that is all for this unboxing. This is Jacob Dunlop signing off. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos.